In this video, we're going to talk about how to delete a file or directory / folder, depending on what you want to call it, in Python. Now, first of all, there are so many ways to do this. And I don't think you want me to sit here and go, here's a video on the 55 ways to delete a file. So let's just skip to it. I mean, we're going to discuss it in a logical way. And I've organized it into 3 use cases. I have a single file, I know it's a file, and I want to remove it specifically. So we're going to use pathlib. We're going modern here, guys. No OS utilities for you. So we create the path, and it's going to be the data throwaway text. I'm going to use the touch command, which creates an empty file. And then I say, okay, is it there? Is it a file? And then unlink is your friend here. Just learn this one. There's I think a couple of more ways you can do it, but just unlink it. And then we check to see if it's there after unlinking it. And what if it's not there? Well, if you don't have this missing OK equal true, it will throw an error that you'll need to handle. So I suggest just putting that in there, putting missing OK equal true, and you run it and everything is good. Now, I have an empty directory I want to remove. Now, warning, empty is the key word in that above phrase. So I'm going to create this directory to delete, and I use the make dir command, and then I check to see, oh yeah, it's there. And then you use rmdir to remove the directory, and it does so. But there's a caveat, which is what happens if that directory has a file in it. So I both create the directory, and then I create a file in it by touching, and then I try to remove it, directory not empty. So you get an error. You would have to handle this error, and plus, you still have the directory. So what are you going to do? Well, to delete a directory and everything in it, we're going to bring out the big guns, which is the shutil library, and it has a rmtree, and it nukes a directory, everything in it, everything and anything in it, all the way down to the very bottom of the directory. So once you import rmtree, you can just run rmtree with the path name to that directory, and it'll do it. And that's it. Now subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and you want more videos like this. Hit like down below. It helps me build an audience, and I'll see you in the next one.